Let's learn tip number 1. Let's learn how to enable double tap to wake up option. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to advanced features option. In here, click on this motions and gestures option. In here you can see two options available. You can enable this double tap to turn on screen option and double tap to turn off screen option. And now I double tap on my home screen like this. Now our screen is going to turn off. Again I double tap to my screen. I can open lock screen like this. In this method you can enable double tap to wake up screen option.